Hi, my name's Evan, and I'm here with the brand new MimioPro 4 display from Boxlight. I can't wait to show you some of the new features in this panel. Some of the first things you might notice are the new hardware features here at the top and the bottom of the screen. Up here we have 6 microphones that capture really clear audio from your classroom, making it perfect for hybrid learning through apps like Zoom or MimioConnect. And down here on the bottom, whether you're bringing in students through a call or you're playing some multimedia content, these large forward-facing speakers are perfect for sharing that audio with everyone in the room. You'll also notice some new connectivity options here on the bottom bezel, including a new USB-C port. When it comes to operating the panel, there are some new interface upgrades too. For example, this completely redesigned toolbar now lets you customize which apps you want to appear. Simply select and then drag in any app that you want available for quick access in your toolbar. Now, there are also many more tools down here in this lower half of the toolbar. For example, allowing you to annotate on screen, pull up a stopwatch, or split your screen to view 2 halves at once. And just like the apps above, you have full customization for which of these appear on your toolbar. And of course, there are enhancements to all the apps you're used to from our previous flat panel displays. For example, Note has gotten an impressive upgrade with a whole range of new features. Just take a look at this bottom bar in Note where you'll notice new options for rulers, tables, even mind maps or sticky notes. One of my favorite new features is the ability to share your notes with your students using a QR code. Or you can send your notes directly to cloud storage with a single tap from this menu, either to Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Now those are just a few of the new features coming with the MimioPro 4, and we're excited to share more in the near future. In the meantime, check out our website for more information and stay tuned for more videos and training content coming on the MimioPro 4.